Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here the GW55 Smartwatch, and as you can see here, it is a rugged outdoor smartwatch, okay, with a 2.01 inch display screen. Okay, so we have here the tagline for the smartwatch: breaking limits. So we are going to have the unboxing of this outdoor smartwatch. So we are going to check on the different features, especially on the specs and design of this wearable. So we are going to have the unboxing of the GW55 Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and unbox the GW55 Smartwatch. So we have here simple packaging with some icons here or graphics on the side. So these are the features. So we have some health here, step monitoring. I do hope this is Bluetooth call or push notifications. We have some slight specs here, few basic specs or features, I think. And we have a QR code here for the app. Okay, so anyway, let's get to know more about the GW55 by unboxing. So let's remove the cover here, and we have the user manual. It says it is using the Harmony OS that is compatible with the iOS and Android. If I'm not mistaken, the Harmony OS is an operating system for wearables, okay, and I think smartphone also, developed by Huawei. Okay, and we have here the magnetic charging pogo pin, and we have the smartwatch with the strap already attached to it. Okay, wow, it's a bit thick. And we have the smartwatch. Okay, we have a camo black or camo gray, I think. So we have a round rotary button here, physical button, and we have a side button. On the other side, seems like we do have a speaker here. At the back, we have this sensor. Okay, so let's check on the weight of this one. It's a bit heavy. Okay, so let's see. On, off, 0, 0, and let's see. So it is around 50 grams including the strap. Okay, for the thickness, so let's see. Again, this is the GW55. Let's check. So it is on the 12 millimeter for the thickness. Usually the smartwatches are in 10 millimeter, okay, category. So this one is 12. Okay, for the length, so we are on 49. Okay, almost 50 millimeter. And the width, we have 40, or maybe 38, or 40. So it's a bit big, as you can see here, and more on a mechanical style, masculine look. Okay, so for the style, as you can see here, it is an outdoor rugged style smartwatch. Let's remove this one. Seems like we do have a slim black border. Okay, let's check when we turn on the screen display. Anyways, before that, let's check on the strap here. I like the strap. It is quick release pin, so you can find a compatible strap for this one. Just look for the right size for the strap. I guess this is 22 millimeter. Okay, with a stainless steel buckle. Again, let's take a look at the design. Okay, so we have some screws here. The body is plastic, but we have seems like we do have a metal bezel. Okay, so let's turn on the screen. We do hope that we still have power left. If not, we will charge the smartwatch, and we'll check the basic or the menus. At least we will have a preview. As expected, as you can see here, we do have a very slim black border. Okay, nice. It's not a total rectangular screen display here. As you can see, there's a curve on each side of the screen. Is it rotary? Yes, it is rotary. Okay, so here are the preloaded watch faces on the GW55. Again, for those of you who are watching, this is the GW55 Smartwatch. On top we have, let's see, nice. Okay, so we have here some quick settings. On the bottom part we have the notifications. It's a bit transparent, as you can see. When you drag it, there's some transparency, as you can see. We have the split screen. On the other side we have the different main features here. So this one is automatic activity tracking. You can add components here. For example, let's add weather, and heart rate. Go back. Okay, that's it. How to, okay, we have the sports data, we have the heart rate, and we have the weather here. Okay, so that's it for the UI of the GW55 smartwatch. Let's check out on some basic specs. So here are the specs: wireless 3.0 plus 5.1. Okay, for the screen display, I guess I'm just going to list it here. You can see the screen display size of the GW55, the connectivity, the sensors, and the battery of the smartwatch. Again, this is an outdoor rugged style smartwatch. Okay, it looks decent. It looks okay. It's a bit thick, but I think it's it is just okay for an outdoor rugged style smartwatch. Okay, so this one is for the main menu. You just press it and you can check on the different menus and features. We'll have more on this on our second video. Again, the contents of the box for the GW55 smartwatch: we have the smartwatch with the strap already attached to it, we have the user manual, and we have the charging cable. Again, if you have any questions regarding the GW55 smartwatch, especially on its specs and features, just drop a comment below. Bye!